Here at A&W, we see a wide variety of upholstery repairs that need to come in. Anywhere from torn backs from couches, chairs, dining room seats, to what we have here today, a boat seat, side rail that a customer was trying to install. He had tore the top of it, so we're going to take it apart, pull it around, and fix it for him. We'll get our stapler puller, pop a few staples out, take our dikes, get them on out of the way for us. Pop it up, make sure it's all good. Pull it just a little tighter. Vinyl will stretch it a little easier most times than most fabrics will. So what we're going to do, just take and fold it, pull it a little tight, put a hole behind the back of it. Set us a few staples, and there we go.